Hello friends, my name is Antriksh. I'm the founder of Adyant Health. Toothache. Let's talk about toothache today, okay? Because this is one topic that usually keeps us awake at night, right? The day passes by somehow, but the nights are usually more eventful, right? And that is the time when usually we do not find much of a assistance from anywhere else, and we have to somehow, linger on throughout the night only to find help in the daytime. So what if we can relieve the toothache right then and there? And the answer is very simple. We can do that with colors. Since we've been dealing with so many issues that we can treat with colors, we can also relieve our toothache with colors. Before I begin, I just want to remind you that there can be many underlying issues regarding toothache. We have to investigate that, and probably if you do have a condition in the tooth, that or maybe some infection or degeneration, that has to be taken care of. This treatment is very basic. It will only treat the pain, right? So let's get started. Okay. The treatment will be applied around the nails of all the fingers depending upon which tooth is affected. So we'll select the finger of the tooth that is affected or where you have pain, and it can also be applied on the thumb. So let's figure out how to select the finger according to the tooth that is affected and how to use the thumb when we have a different situation in the tooth. Okay, let's start. Okay friends, so here is a representative image of our jaws on this side and hands and foot on this side. The treatment is always ipsilateral. That means if the tooth belongs to the left side, the treatment will be on the left hand, or if the tooth is on the left lower side, the treatment will be on the left toes. Okay, so we have a very clear numbering, so don't worry, I'll be attaching this image with the description. So this is just for a reference that we can talk about over here. So the numbering is like from the first tooth, say if this is the upper right of the jaw, so the numbering is from the first tooth that is in the front side of your jaw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes, it increases in number as we go backwards. Okay. Similarly on the left side, 1 to 8. The same strategy is repeated on the lower jaw. So from the first tooth in the front, this is the first, and as we go back, it is the 8th number of tooth. And similarly on the left lower side, you have the first tooth in the front and the last tooth on the back side. Okay. So how we decide on which finger nail we have to apply the treatment? The idea is very simple. For the first two tooths, that is first and second, which in our case are incisors, we are going to use, since this is the right side of the jaw, we'll use the right hand and we'll start from the small finger. So for first tooth, two tooth, the treatment will be on the right small finger. Then for third and fourth, it will be on the index finger. Then fourth and fifth will be on the ring finger, and seventh and eighth will be on the middle finger. So starting from the small finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly, the same thing will be repeated on the left side. If it is the left upper tooth of the jaw, then we'll start with small finger. So tooth number 1 and 2 will fall over here, 3 and 4 over here, 5 and 6 over here, 7 and 8 over here. I hope there is no doubt in this. So for example, if the pain is in the molar tooth, so usually that is the common area which is affected in most of the cases. So for example, the pain is in the 8th and 7th, or maybe 7th and 6th, right? Treatment will be on the middle finger of that side. So if it's the left upper side, is the right upper side, treatment will be on the right middle finger, nail. How to apply this? We're going to use blue color for this, and the application is very simple. Apply it all around the joint of the nail. Ensure that it goes deep inside the nail and the skin as well. Some part of the ink should be on the skin, some part of it should be on the nail. This is how the treatment is applied, and whichever finger you choose, apply the treatment in the same manner. Usually the results are instantaneous, or maybe it may take a few seconds, but not more than that. For the lower jaw, the treatment will be on the toes. So the numbering will be the same. Let's take a look at that again. So starting from 1 to 8 on the right side of your lower jaw, treatment will be on the right side of the foot. So starting with the smallest finger, tooth number 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. For the left side of the jaw, lower jaw, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now there might be cases, when we don't get to know where the pain starts. Sometimes the entire jaw is paining, or one side. We generally call this as referred pain. In that condition, we're not able to figure out what is the origin of the pain, which tooth is the origin of that pain. So we have to apply a general strategy in that, and in those cases our thumbs come into play. So when you're not able to figure out where the pain began, we'll use that thumb. So the treatment will be the same for left side of the upper jaw, left thumb; for right side of the upper jaw, right thumb; for the lower jaw, left side, left toe, big toe; and for the right side, right big toe. That's why we had saved these thumbs and toes for the last, right? So the application is also very simple. I'm using it for the left side, upper side. So the application will be just the same all around the nail. Some part will come over the skin, some part will come on the nail itself, and make sure it goes deep inside it as well. Okay, and that should do what you're looking for. That means relieve pain. You can also use specific treatment for a particular tooth, and in addition to that you can also use the thumbs. So in that case it may amplify the effect as well, and it all depends upon you. If you have received relief even by just applying on the finger, it's absolutely fine. But ensure that you let the color be applied for at least 5 to 6 hours, right? This will cool down the nerves and relieve you of all the pain. So I hope with this you'll find the relief when it is needed the most. Okay, take care, we'll meet again. Thank you.